and good morning everyone. My name is Mishaima Basi and today we are presenting our discrete project Price Correlation using Graph Theory. We analyze how prices of consumers items move together using CPI data from Pakistan. This project was completed as a part of our discrete structure course. Our goal is to identify relationship between item based on how their prices change over time. Instead of looking at raw prices, we analyze monthly price movement. we then use cosine similarities to measure how similar these movements are and constant graphs to visualize these relationships across different cities. The dataset comes from the Pakistan Bureau of Statistics. It includes 51 consumer items, 17 cities, monthly data from 2023 to 2025. we pre-process by the data by handling missing values and calculating month-to-month price changes. Now I will hand it over to Aisha to further explain you more. Thank you.
Thank you, Shine. Moving on to the next slide, we model the system as graph G equals to VE, where each node represents an item and S represents similarity between two items. Graphs are built separately for each year to compare patterns over time. Instead of using actual prices, we compute monthly differences. This gave us a price change vector. This allows fair comparison between items with very different price rates. Talking about the core similarity, we used cosine similarity to measure how similar two items are. And here we can see that 1 indicates identical movement, 0 shows no relation, and -1 shows opposite movement. This method focuses on direction, not movements, and not magnitude. And H is created only if two conditions are met. Similarity exists, a threshold tau. This similarity exists across multiple cities. This ensures that relationships are both strong and consistent. Now Ayman will take the lead. Thank you.
Thank you for handing it over to me, Aisha. So now we will look at the results of our project. We gathered the results of 3 years, 2023, 24 and 25. In 2023, we found that it formed strong correlation. The highest value that we got between the items was 0.8, which is quite a lot compared to the lowest value that we got. In 2024, we got moderate correlation, which ranged between 0.5 to 0.7. However, that was not the case for 2025. We got the weakest correlation for this year, which ranged from 0.3 to 0.5. Moving on to the next slide. Through this project, we learned that the graph theory can effectively represent the model graph, the model price relationships, and we can represent strong economic connections through these networks as well. However, the results depend heavily on different parameters, for example, the threshold and the value of K. The graph showed different behavior for both of them. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to speak on this project. Thank you.